Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can fix if your Lidlplus app is not working properly. So if Lidlplus app is not working properly, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Now ensure that you have the latest version of the Lidlplus app installed. You can go to your Play Store or an Apple Store and check for an update. So in my case, I'm using an Android device, so I'm gonna go with the Play Store, and on the search box type in Lidlplus. In here you need to make sure whether the application is completely installed or not. If the application is completely up to date, then you could go ahead and exit out and you can just go ahead and restart it, and it should be able to fix the issue. However, if that's not the case, then you can also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device can fix minor issues and glitch that should be able to fix the issue all at once. And another main important aspect that is responsible for causing some sort of minor issues is your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable connection. You can switch over to Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists on or not. And likewise, if the issue still persists on, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, you have to long press on your Lidlplus app and go to the app info page. And here you have to go ahead and tap on storage and cache, and make sure to tap on clear cache. And if you're sure about going with the storage, then you can go ahead and tap the clear storage as well, but then you'll have to re-log in into your account, and that should be some sort of hectic issue. Then you could go ahead and try login into your account, and you should be able to fix the issue. However, if nothing seems to be working out, then you can also try reinstalling the application, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So despite doing all of these procedures, you're still unable to fix it, then you can try contacting the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter within 24 to 48 hours. So in this way, you can fix your Lidlplus app not working properly issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.